What's the meaning of croquette? Croquette. Croquette.
Croquette. Croquette. A croquette is a small, cylindrical food roll made from diced or mashed meat, fish, vegetables, potatoes, rice, or grains that are typically breaded and fried. The term is French in origin and refers to the shape of the dish, which resembles a small cylinder or cutlet. Croquettes are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, with a delectable filling that can vary depending on regional or cultural influences. They are often served as a snack or appetizer and make for a flavorful addition to any meal.